Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In the last tutorial we worked on this hope ring. I think there was another one as well somewhere, but I really like this color combo. So today we're gonna make a matching bracelet, and this is the hope bracelet. It's very simple in the making. It's exactly the same as the ring, just different beads, and then we have to attach a clasp at the end, but it's pretty much the same. If you know how to do ladder stitch, you can easily make this one. And this is the hope pendant, but we didn't do this one yet, so hopefully next tutorial I'll make this one. And this is a two-sided pendant. So I'll get this out of the way. For the bracelet, you can use just one color, but if you can see, I decided to alternate and use different colors. I used here iris brown. This is a Toho 11-0s and Toho 9mm bugles, and the code is 83, and the code is 83 if you fancy it. This beads I'm gonna use in this current bracelet, so you're gonna see the codes and stuff. And this are 5mm fire polished beads, rosaline. So I'm using 5mm beads. I know it's very hard to, well, I don't know if it's very hard, but it's very rare that you come across 5mm beads, so I decided to incorporate them in some of my jewelry. You don't have to use 5mm. You can use 6mm, you can use 4mm. It's not gonna change anything in the bracelet apart from the look. So it's gonna be the same, same pattern, same procedure, so just use whatever you have. For today, I'm gonna use 5mm Swarovski Bicones. I had quite a few Swarovski Bicones size 5mm, so I thought, why not? And then again, I'm gonna use two different colors. You can use just one. So for one, I'm gonna use the same gold. This is Czech Bugles, silver lined gold, and this is Toho silver lined topaz, and code is 22B, size 11-0. And then for the second color, instead of brown, I'm gonna use black. So these are both Tohos, Toho 11-0, size Toho 11-0, code 49F, and Toho 9mm bugles 49F, so they're same color. So these are the two colors I'm gonna alternate. Then you're gonna need your clasp. You can use any clasp you want, but I like the neat look of how this clasp makes it look. See, it's very neat. So I'm just gonna use the same one. Then you're gonna need a stop bead to start off, beading needle size 10, scissors, and you're gonna need your thread. I'm gonna be using black Nymo size D. And that's all the materials you need. I'm gonna thread my needle with 2 yards, and then we'll get to work. So I'm gonna start with a stop bead. I'm gonna take my needle through the stop bead, leave a tail of about 12-inch. I'm gonna use that to attach one side of the clasp, and then take your needle through the stop bead one more time. And do it one more time. Well, you can stop there, but I like to be secure. And then we're gonna start our ladder stitch. So I'm gonna start with the black. I'm gonna pick up one 11-0 black, one bugle black, and one 11-0 black. I'm gonna drop it down. That's basically the beads you pick up for every ladder unit. So I'm gonna pick up the same beads, 11-0, bugle, 11-0, and I'm using same colors. So let me see if I should zoom in a bit. And then I'm gonna take my needle through the same beads I added, starting with 11-0. Make sure not to go through the stop bead because we're gonna remove that later. And pull your needle through. It's not gonna look straight away like a ladder stitch, but don't worry about it. We're just starting off. And then I'm gonna reinforce. So I'm just gonna go around all the beads we've added. And then back up here. Like so. Down this last 3 beads we added. And then we are ready to add the next ladder stitch unit. Again, 11-0, bugle, 11-0, same color, and then add it to this last 3 beads. And then reinforce. Go up the beads you just added and go back down the previous 3. And then back up the last 3 beads. Now that we have 3 rows, we are ready to add our 5mm beads. So I'm gonna pick up my bicone. Then I'm gonna pick up the ladder stitch unit of the different color, which is gold. So I'm gonna pick up 1, 11-0, bugle, 11-0, and this time the gold ones, and then 1 more bicone, and then back through this last 3 beads we added, like so, and then reinforce. Go through the bicone, down this ladder stitch unit, through the bicone, and up this 3 previous beads of ladder stitch unit. And now we do the same here that we did here with the gold color. So basically add 2 more ladder stitch units to this one. So pick up 11-0, bugle, 11-0, and then down this unit, reinforce, and then back up this 3, and then again same, 11-0, bugle, 11-0, add to this unit, and reinforce, and then back through this 3. Now that you have 3 units, it's time to add your 5mm again. So again, I'm gonna pick up my bicone, and then I'm switching back to the black. So 11-0, bugle, 11-0, all black this time, and then my 5mm, and then down this 3. Reinforce. It's important that you reinforce because you will not be going back through these beads again. So you know, we are working in one direction. You don't want to be coming back to reinforce your work, so saves you time as well. And we just add the ladder stitch unit. 11-0, bugle, 11-0, same color, and add to this 3. And reinforce. Down this 3, up the previous one. Always pull your thread nice and tight, and then down this 3. Again, same unit, black, 11-0, bugle, 11-0, add to this previous unit, reinforce, and then back to the front. And when you have 3, it's time to add 5 mm again. And then when you pick up the 5 mm, next color is the gold. So you just continue like that on and on and on until you have your required length, see? It's very simple. Same process, same beads, on and on. So I will let you do that on your own, but before, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to add the clasp. So I'm just gonna remove my needle, thread this side. I'm gonna add a ladder unit here, but I'm not gonna use bugles because on top of a bugles, I'm not gonna be able to add my clasp. So that bugles equals to 6 11-ohs. So I'm gonna pick up 2 11-ohs on the sides and then 6 11-ohs to substitute this bugle, which makes it 8 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 11-ohs, and then I'm just gonna attach it to this last unit here by ladder stitch, like we would normally do. And then I'm gonna reinforce. Go through all those beads we added, and back up here. And that's basically it. And now we're gonna add the clasp to this part here. And to do that, I'm gonna come out of the 3rd 11-oh. Okay. I'm gonna pick up 1 11-oh. I'm gonna drop it down. I'm gonna take my needle through the first loop. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back through the 11-oh, and see this 3rd bead that we're coming out of? I'm gonna come back around the same bead. Okay. And then here, I pull my needle nice and tight, like that. And then I'm gonna reinforce. So basically, I'm gonna go through the 11-oh I added. Always pull your needle nice and tight. Go through the first loop. Okay. Back through the 11-oh. Okay. And then again, that 3rd 11-oh that we were coming out of, I'm gonna go through that 11-oh. And that's basically it. And now we have to add the same way the 2nd loop. To do that, I'm gonna go through the next 3 11-ohs and come out of the last, if you count from the back, it has to be 3rd 11-oh. So 1, 2, 3. And then pull my needle through. That's it. Again, I'm gonna pick up 1 11-oh. Drop it down. This time I'm gonna go through the 2nd loop. Okay. Back through the bead we added. And then here, see the bead I'm coming out of? I'm gonna go around the same bead. That bead that my thread's coming out of, I'm gonna come around the same one, like so. And pull your needle nice and tight. Again, reinforce. To do that, go up the bead you added, through the loop, back through the bead you added, and back through that 3rd bead. And this time I can just take my needle all the way till the end. And that's basically it. That's how you add your clasp. And if I can, I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce it. I'm gonna go down these 3 units, and I'm gonna go through all those 11 rows. And then pull my needle through. Then back here. Then I'm gonna go down the next unit. Go up this unit. Go down this unit. And back up this one if you can. Oh, I can. Let's see if I can go one more time here. Yep. And then here I can go ahead and get rid of this tail. And that's how you add the clasp. So all you have to do now is just go on and on and on, keep on adding, stop when you think you have your required length, and attach the last side same way to this side. And then I'm gonna meet you back here. And our bracelets are done. Look how gorgeous it came out. I really like the color combo. It's very pretty. Let me give it a try it on. See? And this one's very petite. Perfect for summer, spring. Hopefully we'll get to wear it out, this bracelet, soon. Don't know how this lockdown will last, but we can be ready, right? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe. There are tons of tutorials in my on my channel, so I think maybe next tutorial I will make like a tour video of how to navigate through my channel and how to find the tutorials, because I think most of the people are missing out on the older ones, because you know, you come new, you just, you know, watch the new tutorials I release, but I have over 100 of tutorials out there. So you know, I think it's important that you know how to navigate, how to find things, how to find the description box and all those things. So I think I might cover that in the next tutorial. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.